Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, now for these MS questions, this is actually from the Yeek paper, okay, and this is the latest paper. Yeah, some questions you may think that it is very very tough, to be honest. Yeah, okay. So, but I would like because today is I wish to go through one graph questions with all of you. Like I want to ensure you guys know how to do the graph questions though. Let's see. Okay, so students, now I will let you guys to try it out two questions on the spot yourself first. Okay, so one of the question is the one that we keep on talking about one, which is um the vectors question. So I will let you guys to try the paper two, page 14, question number 8. Okay, please try to do these questions. Once you've done this already, I also want you guys to try the question which is number 11, because this is very important. Yeah. Okay. And this is not easy as well. This is about drawing the graph. Okay. So guys, you try these two questions, 6:29. So I'll give you roughly about 25 minutes for this question now. Okay. So ready? Let's go. Page 14 and page 18. But it's paper two, paper two. I think I forward the tips to you guys individually. I don't want to send it. But that's in like. But then, no. Are you guys going?
Yeah, I'm actually gonna do this.
Yeah. Sorry again.
No, I mean like here, the answers. Like I read.
Sorry. You don't understand question B. Oh, QSR is collinear. RS equals to, then after that, find the value of H and K. You remember I told you when it is collinear, you can write OS equals to MSQ, something like that. When it's collinear. Lambda. Okay, if it is collinear, girl, I told you before. Collinear means that they are parallel, but the magnitude is different. The size is different. So if this is AB and this is CD, we write AB is equals to lambda CD. You get this? Yeah, right? So if they say OSQ, they are collinear, you can actually write SQ is equals to lambda OS. Yeah. Yeah. So you start from here, find out the lambda. And after you found the lambda, you will be able to get this. Yeah. You find out the vector of SQ, find out the vector of OS, and then you find the lambda from there. You get what I mean? Yeah. You try to do first. Got it? The lambda over here is representing the magnitude. For example, if this is A, right? If this is vector A, this will be vector A as well, but it will not be exactly 1A. It might be 2A or 3A or 4A. So the lambda is representing this value. Yeah. It's fine. Enough. Oh my God. I saved yours. I saved yours. Come on. Come on.
Just send it.
I don't understand the group.
No, I'm just like
Yeah. I scared that I forget who's the students, and then if I forward one shot, they will block my WhatsApp. Do you know about that? If there is if WhatsApp detect that you are sending the same messages to different people, okay, they will recognize you as a spam. They will block your number. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Yor did something like that. That's why I had experienced that before too. Mm. Yeah, right. Alone. Thank you. Okay. Oh. Yes.
You know what you're doing. I'm so confused. I don't know what's going on.
Wait, that's a good thing.
Oh, I don't know how to do it. I'm also kind of lost, so I thought it was for Chris. Chris is just Chris is doing something, but I don't know.
Oh, I like total, but I'm not total because I have math, but I total.
Because of math? Nah.
No, math.
Because you see me, you total. It's a sign of love.
I could just
So good.
Okay, page is just a number, right?
Stop it. Stop it. Shut up. You're getting the things getting more and more cringe. Oh my god. This is rated. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my god. Can I delete the message that I sent to you guys just now?
I'm gonna do that. You said you wanted to do that. Oh, you know. It's a bit bus. You're not doing my slow. I need my trouble. Get through the brain. Okay, this brain is a thing.
Yeah. You need to help. Hi, Kalun. Actually, I forgot to mention this week I totally did not forget that there is MS today. Thanks, Kalun. I appreciate. Yeah, yeah. Hmm?
Oh, I can't do any of the questions. Something that has to happen.
Okay.
You want to use the box?
I think, oh, Alicia. I don't think so. I sent to Alicia.
Well, I need to practice time. I just want to practice the time I can say. I'm sure to. But there's too much to memorize to put everything in my face without practice. Okay, I just okay. Yeah, that's the level. Then I just get someone. You don't have to. I have to somebody. Oh yeah, do you want to remember back, Michaela? I thought of that. Oh, I didn't know. I like that one more. Alex.
You want?
I look up the favorite. What?
You guys get the answer for 8A, Alice?
Yeah.
Cool. So 8A, the answer is a let's see, OQ will be equals to negative 3x plus 6y. Oh, so RP is equal to 5y plus 2x. Or if you write 2x plus 5y, it's fine as well. Yeah. Guys, do you got it? Yeah? Okay. So do you get it? Good? Yeah? Yeah? Yes, sir? Sure? Okay. Nah, I'm just curious. Yeah. Okay, so next one. Sakit kepala, yeah. Yeah. I won't go through a lot of the MS questions with you guys today because I know you guys are having exam tomorrow. Okay, so I just go through two major questions for you guys today because these are the 10 to 20 marks questions. Yeah. So and then remember students, I think physics, I think at maths we actually have a extra class. So I believe 25th we will have a class. Yeah, no problem. Okay. And then again, 20th and also 24th. If you feel like coming, you may. Yeah, 20th and also 24th. If you want to come, you may come as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pardon? Yeah. Okay, so students, now, first of all, they say RS is equal to 2SP. Okay, so let's have a look at it together. So from here we know RS over SP is equal to 2 to 1. Yeah, RS to SP is equal to 2 to 1. Okay. Let's see. RS is 2, SP is equal to 1. Right? Okay, now. The questions is actually needed for, you have to start from this SQ and also OS. So we find the SQ and also the OS first. Let's see. Okay. So SQ. So guys, how do I find the SQ? Do we able to get the SQ? But we can do SP plus PQ, right? Or SR plus RQ. Okay, after that we have OS. Let me see. Okay, so OQ is equals to negative 3x plus 6y. RP is equals to, okay, OR is 3x. RQ is 6y. PQ is y minus 2x. Oh, okay, cool. So students, now SR. Oh shit. Okay, how do I find the SQ? SQ, I can go for SR plus RQ. Okay. Yep. Pardon? The question says that? PQ? Yep. Okay, okay. So students, now SR we know, guys. Gangs, SR is equals to what over what? SR is equals to 2 over 3 of? Very good. Yeah, you got it now. Nice. SR is equals to 2 over 3 of PR. Okay. And then after that, you plus the RQ is equals to 6Y. Okay. Then guys, how do I find PR? Do we have PR? Yes. We already got RP is equals to that value, right? So PR is terbalik. So PR, we can get it from here, from positive to negative. So it's negative 5Y minus 2X. Do you get what I mean, everyone? Yeah. Okay. Then after that, you open bracket and then you simplify it. You will be able to get this. So our SQ will be equals to 8 over 3Y minus 4 over 3X. Okay. Okay, students, so far are you okay with this? Yeah, right? Can you guys tell me that? How do I find an OS, everyone? OS. From O to S, everyone. And then? Okay, there are a few methods over here, student. You can go for OR plus RS. Do you see that? Okay, so I can go for OR plus RS. So guys, OR, 3X. So SR is equals to this, which is these things, right? Okay, SR is the entire thing over here. Got it? But what I want now is RS. I want terbalik. Can you see that? So if I want terbalik, student, it will be 2 over 3 of 5Y plus 2X. You know why? Because it's terbalik. One is RS and one is SR. So negative become positive. Do you understand, everyone? Yeah, right? Okay, and then you open bracket and so on. You will get OS is equals to 10 over 3Y minus 5 over 3X. So far, do you understand, everyone? Yeah, huh? Any question? No? Okay, that's good. Okay, guys, if you understand what I say here, that will be it will be quite simple for all of you right now. So first of all, they say SQ and OS, they are collinear. So you can actually write SQ is equal to lambda OS. I told you what is the lambda representing, right? They are same direction but different magnitude. So you can find it very easily right now. SQ is 8 over 3Y minus 4 over 3X and equals to lambda, your OS, 10 over 3Y minus 5 over 3X. Okay, then you multiply the lambda inside. You will get 10 over 3 lambda Y minus 5 over 3 lambda X. Okay, equals to the one on the left. Okay, lastly, what do we do? You compare, everyone. The Y is equals to the Y. So you write 8 over 3 equals to 10 over 3 lambda. So you move this to the left and then you divide. Press the calculator. So you will get 8 over 3. You divide 10 over 3. So you will get 4 over 5. So far, you guys okay? Yeah? So students, the questions told you, so meaning to say SQ is equal to 4 over 5 of OS. Okay, now back to the question. So guys, the question here is asking you OS to SQ. Can you see that? OS to SQ is equal to K to H. Okay, so if I move this one to the left, it will become SQ over OS is equal to 4 over 5. So meaning to say SQ to OS is equal to 4 to 5. Can you see that? But guys, I want OS to SQ. So OS to SQ is which is 5 to 4. So H is equal to 4 and K is equal to 5. Better. Understand? Yeah. Online student, are you guys okay? I think all of you are full of like physics right now. Any question? No. Sure, no problem. So you mean which one? Just the last part, yeah? Okay, so the last part is you find a lambda. You know how to find a lambda already, right? Do you know how to find a lambda? Okay, because as I mentioned, okay, so again, what I need to find over here is OS to SQ is equal to K to H, right? So that's why I need to find a vector of OS and SQ. So SQ is 8 over 3y minus 4 over 3x. Are you okay with this? Then this is equal to, you need to put a lambda here because I mentioned before, they are collinear, doesn't mean the size is the same, right? So this is representing the magnitude. Are you okay with that? Okay, right? So after you multiply the magnitude, left and right will be balanced. Got it? Okay? Okay. Final again? You may do that as well, not a problem. Yeah, you will still get the same answer. Okay? Then after that, this one is 10 over 3y minus 5 over 3x. Okay? So after you multiply the lambda inside, you get 10 over 3 lambda y minus 5 over 3 lambda x equals to the left. Then I compare. Do you get what I mean? So you compare this with this. So you write 10 over 3 lambda equals to 8 over 3. So you move this one, you dy, you get lambda is equals to 4 over 5. Are you okay? So meaning to say SQ is equal to 4 over 5 OS. And now I want OS to SQ. Yeah? So I move this to the left. SQ to OS is equal to 4 over 5. And you can convert this become ratio. Because ratio is related to fraction. So are you okay? But this is the value, right? I want OS SQ. So you write OS SQ is equal to 5 to 4. So from here we know K equals to 5 and H is equal to 4. Got it? Okay, guys. For the C questions, I believe all of you should know what to do because this is unit vector. Okay. Take a picture or copy down first. Do you have physics tomorrow? Yeah. I teach 1.5 hour physics already just now.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm only
If I teach physics later, Yao Chen will be sleeping again on the sofa. Just not sleep very soundly. 1.5 hour. I actually wish you guys to have to rest. Lisa, how about you? Are you having physics tomorrow?
yeah.
You don't take physics, so okay, you are taking the accounts, yeah. So tomorrow you will be having science, right? Oh yeah, your exam is on November. Yours one is a bit later, right? Okay, cool. So I think it's okay lah. It's better to prepare early, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Someone is hinting to me already right now. Someone in front of me is like, I bet in light and optics.
But at least that was the one chapter.
Oh, girls, I teach you few weeks ago before I go for the revision. Okay, I'm gonna clear the drawings. I need to send this recording to the students. Okay, I have Adriana, Anna, Marisa, Kalun, and okay, wait, yeah, wait. Okay. Okay, let me finish up this one first. Let me finish up this one first. Everyone is going crazy. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Stop.
Okay, first of all, students, OQ, okay, OQ is actually negative 3x plus 6y, right? Okay, yet, guys, they mentioned to you, this is pretty simple. X is this. So you can convert the x become 3, 2. And you can convert the y become 1, 2. Do you know what am I doing? Then the rest you just copy paste, right? Okay, so the OQ will be equals to negative 9, negative 6, plus 6 and 12. When you multiply, please multiply up and down, yeah? Okay, and then you plus them together. So -9 plus 6, you get -3. Okay. Then -6 plus 12, you get 6. And please convert back to I and J if the question gives you is the form is that I and J. So this is equal to -3I plus 6J. Is that the answers? Definitely not. I want unit vector. What's the formula for unit vector? Unit vector is equal to xi plus yj over the magnitude of the vector. Okay, so for this one, for the OQ, the unit vector will be equal to, first of all, this vector you put up -3i plus 6j. Below, how do I find magnitude? What is the formula for magnitude? X squared plus y squared, and then you square it, no modulus. So it's -3 squared plus 6 squared, and then you square it. Okay, then you get the answer. Okay, so you will get -3i plus 6j over 3 root 5. Any question? Any question?
So which one is up?
Pardon? Definitely. Yeah, this is the formula. So you have to put the I and J on top. Sorry? You mean this one? The other side? This one? This one? Yeah, what happened? The X must be on top, the Y must be on bottom. Yeah, so this is the X, the I is the X, the Y is the J. Yeah, so the method, it does matter. Yeah, okay, guys, my answer will be deducted 1 marks. Kenapa? Sebab
At the bottom got the cert
again, whoever that is not using this calculator, you won't be able to get these 3 cert 5.
at the bottom.
Okay, so you see 3, 3, 6. Common factor? Everything have to divide by 3. You can have 5. So your answer will be -I plus 2j over 5. Settle. Do you get it? Everyone is waiting for me to teach physics for a while. Sorry? We should have a sleeping class, so you guys can go back and study physics later. That's my lunch and also my dinner, girl. Nah, go for it. Yeah.
It's my eyesight much better. And my eyelids are big, heavier.
Okay, all right, so then is everything okay? Marisa, Kalun, and Hantong, are you guys okay? Yeah, Adriana, Anna, and also Mervin, okay, right? Are you like dancing or what? Yes.
Gonna tweak out.
Why Hantong join the class and then left? Hey, y'all do the question there. Oh, y'all didn't bring them. She has the extra notes. You can. Bro, not everyone take physics here.
At the end of the day, they learn. Yeah, at the end of the day, they They still need the calculator and start counting their fingers too.
Okay, you guys complete these questions, then I'll consider.
Stop.
No.
I hate when they are really after the- That's what I said. So make us memorize like that. E is not in.
Yeah. Boom, boom, breathe. Yeah, that one is the chapter 6.
Yeah. Small.
This thing what Taji taught. Oh.
But that actually, you must know how to draw it. Yeah, if you don't know how to draw, right, you remember that one is. Yeah.
Like what's
Hey, Anton. How is maths today? Yeah.
Later. Yes, no, classic open Oh, but that's brilliant. Please, no, they look alike, we look alike. Oh, what the? Don't look alike. Oh, don't listen to her.
Guys, you need to draw the graph, yeah? The question asks you to plot ln y against x. So what is the first thing you need to do, everyone? You need to find a ln y first. You need to create another table with ln y. Yeah? Okay, don't. Yeah. And then you need to press the calculator, right? The first one, you press the calculator, ln 0.78. Okay, so you will get negative 0.248. But guys, remember, for this part, do you need to put all 4 decimal places? Only 2 decimal places will do. Because it is graph, yes, correct. Yeah. Then you keep on finding the finding the value. So guys, you found the value, you get 1 marks already from the table. Yeah. After you got this already, then remember you need to draw the graph. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 15 minutes. Come on.
Oh, okay.
You think so honestly, you think like a content creator.
I finished my. Okay. Fine. Times 5. That fine. That one. Log. That's fine. Yeah. Log. One.
So this is just multiple.
Yeah. 6 times. At 6 times 10.
Oh,
Right. I
so
don't
that's
know.
actually really confusing.
It's really good. Fine. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't think you can use it. Oh, because the wine very fine. Numbers. What's important? Okay. Yeah. You can use another. You want this? You want this? Yes. You want this? Yeah. For because you need a ruler. You need a ruler to get that, bro. Oh, there is bro. Shit, I don't have a ruler with me. Um, you need?
Oh, I believe the movie. It's actually like this sport. One, I think. What do you mean tweet on?
You know, like I'm just doing anything. I got one song, I got a song in my head. But then if I drink coffee, at one point can have 3 songs. Don't know why. Then because I play a lot of
Yeah, although you play drums, yeah.
Wait, how many instruments do you play? Play over there. Pick up one.
how is that related?
I can't do music. I also can't do that.
And really.
Oh, you know how to play ukulele?
I feel like everyone
don't
in
know how to play
2020
ukulele.
picked it up.
Come on. The X stay the same, yes, correct.
Focus on one.
Yeah, because your adrenaline and also you are not get used to the caffeine.
It opens my brain cells. Like I feel it. It's an addict, bro. The fuck? No.
No.
That's crazy.
That's very crazy.
I have a small neurological problem. But it's okay. Probably. No. Don't tell me I don't have that. Oh my god, you want to borrow my no, it's okay to have it. Not you are. Well, I'm so glad my sister cares about it. And then I just gave you this is the side effect.
So after this week, I think you guys should be like quite relaxed already. Yeah.
Teacher, don't have chemistry.
When is your chemistry?
So it's just out. If I don't get like a 70 or like a 60 and above, I'm going to jump off a building. I literally start from 5 to this. I started from 5. I don't know what you're talking about. I lacked. What the hell is that? I started from 5 chemistry yesterday on my own. I didn't study anything else. Both of you to assume your previous board, yeah. What happened to war easy start?
The next day will be relaxed. I didn't see anything.
You literally did. Listen. Oh, I didn't.
What did I?
Just say anything is like
Okay, I just feel that. Forget what I say.
Thinking about it. That's right. Yeah. Every time I lie down and then I'm thinking, oh, you'll be studying right now. You think what's studying one I think? I kill myself out of the game. Every time I want to study, I kill one and then I turn to taking a knife and just shut my throat.
Oh my day.
Yeah, you won't ever get it. You won't put a pin out of sight at my you don't
44.
honestly it's a
How's your physics?
Physics. What's up? Hey, the Nietzsche. 64.
true.
You're the 64. No, I think because your MS and mathematics is okay, it's cool. So your physics can get an A. I believe so. Yeah. I mean, the students here, if they are good in S and MS, their physics can be keeping it, which I think you kind of. Hmm? Okay. It's great, Mesa.
It's bad. It's bad.
That sounds like me.
Saja. Don't say sejarah in front of me.
Yeah? I'm gonna die. What is sejarah? Why do I need to learn sejarah? I always question myself.
Certain sejarah is
But I want to prove it's not like certain I'm gonna I don't care. It makes sense. The drama no, can we not
Guys, remember when you draw the graph, I saw some of the students, you draw halfway, you need to join to the y-axis, right? Make sure you join all the way to the y-axis. Fantastic. Have you drawn already? Yao Chen? Good. Isabel, do you able to draw it? Your y-intercept is it negative 1 point something, everyone? Your your y-intercept must be negative 1 point something. Mine one is negative 1.3. Okay? Cool.
The whole car.
I mean,
Then I see all this. It's because I'm brown, is it?
Like,
Like you're like
what he's talking about ever but he's you guys are crazy. Okay, go, okay. I'm gonna send this recording to Evan, by the way.
What I just want
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, now. Okay, so for the B1 student, they are asking you to find a value of x when your y is equals to E32. Okay? So student, you know how to get E32 or not? You get it from the calculator, right? You press shift ln, then you press power 32, and you will get 7 point something.
3.2.
3.2.
Then you ln this, you will get 3.2, yeah? Okay, 3.
No, I mean the E power is 3.2.
Yeah, 3.2. Okay, so it's 3.2. Okay. So guys, y equals to E 3.2. But guys, do you have any y here? No, so you have only ln y. So guys, ln your y, you change it become E 3.2. Do you get what I mean? So students, ln y, you see, everyone pay attention. So ln and E are the opposite. Yes. So when the ln and the E put together, you can just cancel off and it is equal to 3.2. So from the table, look at the 3.2 and then you put the dot and then you go down and that's where you get the value of x, which is equal to 0.43. Yeah. So the answer for B1 is equals to x equals to 0.43. Are you guys okay with that? Yeah, right? Okay, great. Okay, now next questions, everyone. Okay, I want to find the P and also the Q. So students, this is the original equation. So what do you have to do with the original equations, everyone? Guys, I told you before, this is linear law, chapter 6, form 4. So when you do linear law, when you do this chapter, you have to do one thing for sure. What is it? Start with R. Reducing method. Yeah, reducing meaning to say you need to relate this with this graph. Obviously, what should I do with it? If got log, you put log, right? If got ln, you put ln. So you multiply ln for both sides, everyone. So you will have ln y equals to ln bracket E 2qx over P. Girls, are you guys okay with this? Yeah, huh? So students, I also mentioned to you guys before, ln is actually the same as what? Log, correct? So when log dy become minus, very good. So you will have ln y equals to ln E 2qx minus ln P. Do you know what I'm doing here? And again, ln and E, what can I do with it? You can just cancel it off, and this whole thing will become 2qx. Okay. So far, are you guys okay with this? Yeah? So students, from here, after this, what do I need to do? This is your y equals to mx plus c. Your m is equals to 2q, and your c is equals to negative ln p. So far, are you guys okay? Yeah, huh? Okay, now students. Online student, are you guys okay there so far? Sure, Hanto. Hanto, why you always pull in my class one? My voice makes you pull, is it? I thought that every single, he always pull in my class. Oh my god. Okay. So Elisa, Elisa, are you okay with this? Yeah, huh? Okay, cool. So now students. First of all, where is, can I find the P right now, everyone? Okay, right? Y-intercept is equals to negative 1.3. So negative ln P is equals to negative 1.3. You cut, you move the ln to the right, and then you P equals to E power 1.3. You press the calculator. E power 1.3. You get 3.669. Are you guys okay? Okay, next one, student. I need to find the Q. Macam mana? Yes, you pick any 2 points over here. Okay, any 2 points. Yeah, on the line. Then after that, you need to draw the triangle, right? As I mentioned. Okay, 90 degree. Then after that, you use this one is x2, y2. This one is x1, y1. So you need to use the formula. Okay, so I pick y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals to my gradient, which is 2q. So from here, you can find the q, which is equals to 5.25. Settle. Yep, guys, to be honest, this is actually considered as the tougher question already for drawing, which is actually quite easy, right? Okay, actually got one more question that they may ask, which is about error. You remember how the error works or not? I hope every one of you got these questions correct, because guys, this is a 10 marks question. Reducing method, I tell you what, is more or less the same. If it comes log or ln, it's nothing like that. It just depends on what they give it to you. Then you just try your best to change the y to be the same. Yeah. Okay. And then the format is more or less the same. So again, it's the same as the chapter 3. Okay. You do a few, it's actually very fine. Okay. Got one type of questions that they may ask, and they love to ask it, especially for CHS students. They love to ask about error. For example, you draw. Everything is very near, but got one point is very far away, and you check already, it is correct. Oh, is it? Yeah, Isabel just told me about that as well. So postpone to. So MS is on the 3rd of December. Oh, what the shit? Oh, it's on the 3rd of November for AdMaths. Oh, 27th is chemistry. Is it applicable for all the school? Oh. Oh, is it? Rumors gossip? Oh. Are you guys going to receive the paper? How about for Catholic? Any changes on Catholic? Is it the same, Mervin? Same for your school, Kalun? You don't know. I see. Because the parent and student report why holiday period so short and then need exam, so they extend chemistry and also MS exam. But it's good, guys. I mean, it's good for you guys. For MS, you have more time to prepare. Yeah. And then I hope that you don't just spend all your holidays. Yeah.
From that, I after my
Oh well. My take home, if I feel it's gone now. Okay, so students, now, any questions so far? No, take a break, student, 5 minutes.
Get at least or solid negative.
Power on.
Okay, now, Rihanna, what do you get?
Oh, I kind of gave up on the comment.
Yeah, I'm sorry for the cry again, but no. She cried a lot. I see, and because a lot of students get very badly. She says like, oh, lots of people drop accounts or that or do badly or yeah, so like not accounts that much.
Oh, I'm looking at it.
Oh my god.
Yes, Ajana, you're right. When you're from shallow to deep water, you will be further from the normal. You're right, Yaga.
Why did I expert go think what's over the window? Can you no one on? They want to make the college.
There are KDU students here, you know.
Laughing at that. What is this? Momentum.
Nah, I believe it is number 29, guys. Chapter 4, number 39. Explain the characteristic and the design of the thermal flask to maintain the hot water. No, this heat.
Volleyball.
It's my favorite chapter.
That's my favorite too. Yes. Sorry. Glass is you cannot say it's insulator because it's still conducting. Yeah. Thermal. Vacuum space between it to prevent the loss as double wall. Yeah. So the first thing is why there is a vacuum. Vacuum purpose is to because vacuum there is no particles, right? When there is no particles, the heat cannot be sent. So that's why that one is specifically to prevent the heat loss.
Oh.
You get what I mean? So this is a bit specified lah. Like between the wall, here is vacuum, right? So vacuum is not double wall. Double wall is not vacuum. Double wall is to create vacuum. Do you get me? Double wall is to create vacuum, and vacuum is to prevent the heat loss. Why? Because there is no particle in between. Yes, correct. But they are similar, which is correct. I believe you have to mention about conduction and also convection as well.
What is all
Yeah, because the shiny paint. So as I mentioned, white shirts and also black shirt will be able to release heat faster. But shiny and also bright surface, they cannot release so fast.
Yeah.
Not Joey, but I use like
You plan me and Sheila and Elsa plan to play after school. No. The back to the one. They couldn't go with their We can know all.
Okay. Because 7 more minutes only, Aga.
One line, just one page. Really important.
Like an object.
I had like yeah. You're shaky, right? You did it all right. Then the teacher didn't just tell us the homework.
Students who are not taking physics because they are having exam tomorrow for physics, can I teach them a little bit of the physics? Yeah. Alisa, I may cover a little bit of the physics for them. Yeah. But you know what? You can actually try the questions at the back, the chapter 9 and 10. Okay. I'll send you guys the answers in a bit. Is that okay? No, you can press the button. They are the. You switch on all the four. Cool. Okay. Guys, I found that what I received over there is the refraction now. Okay. And what I remember about refraction will be like the drawings over here. Okay. So refraction will be having something like the illusions like that. When you see the deep water, somehow if you have the object there, the things will tend to be more shallow. Do you get what I mean? Okay. So what you see is actually higher, but the real one is actually at the bottom. Do you get what I mean, everyone? So this is refraction, yeah? Okay. So anything to do with refraction, my prediction will having the refractive index for our calculation. The n equals to something, the four formulas. Do you guys remember the four formulas? Yep, correct. Sine I, sine x, okay? Okay, yep, correct. Then after that, what I heard is like you have critical angle as well, which is n equals to 1 over sine c. And the c over here representing critical angle. Critical angle is not 90 degree. Critical angle is here. Critical angle created 90 degree, but not 90. Do you get what I mean? So this is the angle. And remember, always take the angle that is stick to the normal. Do you get it? Okay. And when the I is bigger than the C, you have total internal reflection. Okay. Now, I don't think so I can teach you guys drawings, but for those who have the notes, the drawings, everything is there. Total internal reflection, ladies and gentlemen, you have to know this as well. So total internal reflection, students, it will be creating what? Oh yeah, Yan. That's that's my physics. Yeah. Anyway, so my physics class always tend to bio. Okay. Anyway, now we will create some rainbows, right? And then we have some total internal reflection happen inside here. Yeah, that's total internal reflection. But other than that, we have refraction. Okay, what is here? Dispersion, total internal reflection, and here will be refraction. Do you understand? Okay, right? Cool. So and refraction got a few phenomenons lah. Okay, for example, like mirage. Okay, why do we have mirage? Because from cool air to hot air, the density is different. Because the density is different, that's why there will be refractions. Do you get what I mean? Yeah, right? Okay. So other than the mirage, we also got a fish eye. Refractions over here is happening. Okay. And after that, sorry again. Yeah, Then after that, the application got a few. So if they talk about total internal reflection, actually got a lot, like having the prism, how to draw these is very important. You must put in this way, yes, student, for the 45 degrees. Okay. So we still got the one that is popular will be something like that. The prism have to put side by side. So when the light comes through, it will be totally refracted and you will be able to see it through your eye. And by using this total internal reflection, what you see will be clearer compared to using a mirror. Okay? So, and then after that will be optic fiber. So I taught you guys before, optic fiber, guys, it is something to do with total internal reflection as well. So this is very important. Core have to be high refractive index and cladding must be low refractive index. Why? Because total internal reflection must be from high to low all the time. What is high and what is low? High density to low density. Do you get what I mean? So high density is equals to high refractive index and low density equals to low effective index. So that's why the light must be go in with high and the wall must be low. Then only you will reflect it. Do you understand? Okay. And by using this, the speed will be very fast because the speed of light is super fast. Okay. So you use it for telephone communication and also endoscope light. Yeah. Yeah.
Can see. Inside, the
High refractive index. Yeah. High refractive index is equals to high density. Yeah. So another thing that will come out, may come out for the refraction is diamond. Diamond, you need to know how to draw it, student. Remember, if the light starts from here, you need to draw the normal line first. From low dens to high dens, you will be nearer to the normal. And then here will be total internal reflection. And then you reflect, and then you will disperse. Pardon? The other side here? Yeah. You are right. So if you are start from the white light over here, so you will go straight all the way. Okay, so normal line. Then from low dens to high dens, right? So you'll be nearer to the normal. And then you will have refraction, and then it will be further to the normal. Yeah. It will be dispersed and it will separate it into two. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. So when you draw, remember, always you have to draw the normal line. And when you draw, usually you don't need to draw two lines. Yeah. They only require you guys to draw one line only. If the question, yeah, you have to draw the arrow. Are you okay with that? But make sure you have normal line all the way. Yeah. And then how many angles is this? Doesn't matter. As long it is inside the diamond, okay, and it is slightly nearer to the normal at first, that is okay already. Okay, right? Cool. Okay, and these are the four formulas. Okay, sine I over sine R, C over V, D over D, and 1 over sine C. Okay, and I told you guys before today, the I must be greater than the R. So a lot of students will think that, oh, I come here. So they give you the light like this. So they give you the here is 15 and they give you here is 30, right? A lot of students will say, oh, I is equals to 15. Wrong. Please remember one thing. Your I must be forever bigger than R. So your I have to put 30 and your R will be 15. Do you get what I mean? Yeah, right? So this is the only thing that students always make mistake. Correct. So a lot of students will think that, but the arrow pointing here, this is the I supposed to be, right? But for this formula, the I must be bigger than that. Because why? Your N, the value must be 1 and above. Cannot be smaller than 1. Yeah? Yeah. So I think refraction will be something like that. So, and then after that, you have to remember, like, what are the characteristics at the womb, rim, all these things, inverted, upright. Yeah?
Incident rate is smaller. It's the question is wrong.
Not wrong. You have to terbalik the angles. Yeah? Yeah. It can be either one of the, okay. For me, drawings supposed to be only bahagian A and B. Yeah, usually will be happen in Bahagian A because B and C are the essay questions. Remember, Bahagian B, please read the instructions properly. They give you a few questions. You no need to answer all of them. I believe so. And the section C will be 20 marks. What are the 20 marks involved? 20 marks they involve explain, reason, definition, and lastly is the table. Do you need to bring a long ruler tomorrow? I don't think so. I don't think so. You need to draw any graph. Yeah, but you need a ruler to draw the lens ray diagram. Okay, cool. So, yep, I covered as much as I can for you guys already. You're welcome. Okay, guys, I think will be test all for today lah. Yeah, I think will be test all for today. So all the best in your physics exam, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Okay. See you tomorrow. I don't think so. We have physics class. Yeah. So I'll see you guys next week. Okay. Or if you want to come this Friday for advanced, you may as well, not a problem. It will be 6 to 7:30. Yeah. Okay. So thank you everyone. All the best. See you. Bye bye.